I'm Zim, and you're listening to the Helpful Photographer Podcast in collaboration with New York City Photo Safari. To register for a safari, please visit newyorkcityphotosafari.com. I recently ordered a new camera. As a matter of fact, it's my first mirrorless. I know, I'm a little late to the game, but I was not committed to making that move until my current camera really needed to be replaced. Trust me when I tell you, it's telling me it needs to be replaced. Very often people ask me if they should be replacing their camera. I personally don't think anyone needs to buy the latest and greatest whatever, just because it's the latest, greatest whatever. Even if money is no object, please consider the environmental factor of your old equipment going into a landfill. So please do everyone a favor and use your gear until it can't do the things you need it to do. And if it's still working, please donate it to a local school. They'll love you for it. And if you're here in the United States, it's even better. You can take a tax write-off for that. But when is it time to buy a new camera? Should you hold on to a 10-year-old camera? The answer is it depends. If you're doing studio stuff or really basic portrait type stuff, where generally speaking you have all the light you need and you're not printing things particularly large, even a camera with just 15 to 20 megapixels and a lack of high ISO, it's not a problem. But let's say you're a sports shooter where you'll likely be shooting moving objects in low light. Then it might make sense to go to a new camera because where we continue to see massive improvements is in the areas of autofocus and better resolution, especially with high ISO. With every iteration, these functions are getting better and better, and I'm talking leaps and bounds. New cameras give us faster processing speeds, which is great if you're shooting sports or other moving objects like animals and birds. So get a new camera if you find that your old camera's performance isn't keeping up with your needs. Otherwise, hang on to it until it dies. I hope that was helpful. Until next time, keep on shooting.